Travel insurance, the affordable way to ensure that you have a holiday that is stress-free. If you are a resident in Portugal and you need a travel insurance, a cruise insurance, a holiday, a student, an insurance for your snow holidays, you can count with C1 Broker. Because going on holiday is supposed to be the time of rest and relaxation. But if something goes wrong, it can quickly turn into a stressful experience. And this is where travel insurance comes in. It's an affordable way to ensure that your holiday is free of any unforeseen events or accidents. In this video, I want to talk about the different types of travel insurance policies available and help you decide which one is the right for you. If something, the pandemic has taught us all about how important it is to have medical cover when we travel abroad. But what about all those other things that can go wrong? What about if a trip is cancelled or interrupted for a whole bunch of reasons that you never even thought of? Missed flight, cancelled flights, delayed, lost luggages. These are exactly the kind of things that travel insurance policies cover, so it's really definitely worth considering to take one before your next trip. Let's look at the different types of travel insurance. There are, of course, different types, different products out there. They offer different covers like medical cover, cancellation, lost baggage. The medical travel insurance will cover you, of course, in case you get sick or injured while on holiday, and it also includes an emergency evacuation services if needed. Cancellation travel insurance will protect your investment if you have to cancel your trip last minute, and this can be because of a natural disaster like a hurricane or something unexpected like an illness. Baggage travel insurance. This is a cover that reimburses you for any lost or damaged luggage. The most common types of travel insurance policies are trip cancellation or interruption insurance. This is a policy that covers if your trip is cancelled or interrupted for any reason. There is the medical coverage insurance. This is a policy or cover that provides cover for medical expenses incurred while traveling, and it can also provide for coverage for evacuation and repatriation costs. And then we have the baggage loss or baggage damage cover. This is a policy or a cover within a policy that covers the cost of replacing or repairing the lost or damaged luggage. There's also a cover called travel delay. This is a cover that will cost the food and accommodations if your flight is delayed. Recently, a good client of us traveled with his family to Dubai for a scuba diving vacation. And meanwhile there, one of them got the coronavirus. And the result? They had to stay 14 days in quarantine and they could not leave the hotel room. They lost every flight, they had to rebook, and they have a final bill of 16,000 euros to pay. And this guy had just hired a travel insurance and he got all his money reimbursed. Imagine if he didn't. How to choose the right travel insurance? Well, when choosing a travel insurance, it's very important to consider what type of coverage you need. So, for instance, if you are traveling to a remote location or you're participating in activities like scuba diving, you may want to consider a policy with a higher medical coverage. If you are worried about a trip cancellation, look for a policy that covers this. And if you are concerned about the lost or damaged baggage, choose a policy that includes this cover as well. So once you know what type of coverage you need, compare different travel insurance policies to find the one that best suits your needs. Of course, the best is to put this into the hands of a professional, contact an insurance broker like C1 Broker, and our work is to compare, is to understand, is to be on top of what is out there in the market in terms of insurance. So we will automatically recommend you the best insurance with the best price. And also be sure to read the fine print so that you understand everything that is covered and what is not covered by each policy. At C1 Broker, we run that comparison study for you, and after analyzing your needs, the type of travel, let's say you're going to do a holiday or a cruise holiday or a radical adventure holiday, then the length and the destination, we will look at different travel insurance products to search the most adequate for you. Don't let the stress of travel ruin your holiday and get a travel insurance today. My name is Susanna Vischels. I am with C1 Broker, and down below are all our contacts, so me and my team, we would be very, very happy to hear from you, to get a phone call or even an email, or that you visit us in our offices. And if you like this type of content, then please hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. Thank you. I will see you next time. And meanwhile, stay well insured.